Hey guys, Jeannie here. Welcome to Mimicraft, your home for all things creative and DIY on a budget. I make all the mistakes, so you don't have to. Today's crafts will be made with Dollar Tree's Tumbling Tower blocks and Dollar Tree's Super Glue wood glue. Today's first project is a lantern, and you'll need a total of 90 Tumbling Tower blocks. Glue 18 sets of 5 blocks side by side. Today I'm using the brown blocks because I want to get rid of them. Don't forget to get rid of any excess glue with a damp paper towel or sponge or cloth. When the blocks are holding together enough that you can flip them over, do so and wipe off any glue from the front side before it has a chance to dry. This is the block set placement for each side. Total of 6 sets of 5 in the position you see here. The width should be a total of 6 inches. I use pencil markings to help me know where to position things for gluing. I used a second straight edge to help me line things up perfectly. For extra security, I measured and cut some bamboo skewers to glue down. I used these Dollar Tree dog nail clippers to do so. An excellent paint match for these skewers is a 50-50 mixture of Apple Barrel's Nutmeg Brown and Burnt Umber. I definitely recommend painting the skewers after they're glued down, because I taped the skewers down and the tape pulled off the paint. Now if you want to go ham on this, you can put little pieces of wire over the skewers to make them even more secure. I use Dollar Tree floral wire and hot glue.
I'm going to make this way harder than it needs to be.
I used the same paint combination I used on the skewers to touch up the brown blocks where need be. I used a damp cloth to avoid brush marks. Make the other 2 sides the same way, using the first side as a template. When completely dry, it goes together like this. Remember, the right side is facing down. Lift the piece up while it's still wet so you can glue on the third side. And with all the glue still wet, make any necessary adjustments. Now, I didn't film this, but it's a real good idea to put something heavy like a book on top of this while the glue is drying. Here's how mine turned out.
Nailed it.
I stacked together 2 battery-operated pillar candles from Dollar Tree to achieve this look. Project number 2 is wall decor, and you will need a total of 105 blocks. Go with me back in time to a DIY far, far away. So in other words, do the first DIY and then put it together like this. I put these together a little bit closer so it has some more gluing area, and then after I got them all put together, realized that it wasn't going to be even, so I added on 3 more block sets for a grand total of 21 sets of 5 blocks. I thought it would be fun to add removable shelves. Each shelf needs 5 blocks glued side by side and 2 blocks glued on top as seen in the video. I used 1 block as a spacer. Make as many shelves as you like.
And you can do whatever you want there.
And this is how they go on. I just have this leaning up against the wall, but I would recommend 2 sawtooth hangers to hang this. Our third project today is a sconce. You'll need 72 brown blocks and 60 natural blocks. Glue together 48 blocks in this pattern, 8 rows of 6. Glue together 4 more sets of 6. Glue together 2 sets of 24 blocks, 8 wide by 3 high. When these are dry, attach them like this. Glue 4 sets of 2 blocks end to end. Glue 2 of these to 2 of the block sets as seen on screen. For the last 2 block sets, glue 1 block on either end, as seen here in the video. For the rest of the assembly, I'll let the video speak for itself. I wasn't happy with some of these open seams, so I used some natural color wood filler to fill them in. When the wood filler was dry, I scraped off the excess, and then after that I used a damp cloth to wipe off any remaining filler, and I did all of this so I didn't have to sand. I used 2 puck lights that I purchased on Amazon. They're approximately 2.5 inches wide, and I'll see if I can find a link for you to put in the description box. And this is how it turned out. Sorry about all the flickering. They don't flicker in real life. If you want to use the Dollar Tree push lights, which are a little bit bigger, you'll have to make the top and bottom in this configuration. Glue the top and bottom on with the 4 natural blocks facing the back. And this is how that will look. For a daytime look, I added this bud vase that I thrifted and just put in some greenery that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Note that in this version, there is no light placed on the bottom portion of the sconce. I would recommend a sawtooth hanger to hang this project on the wall. Congratulations, you made it to the end. Thank you so much. If you saw something that you liked today, please don't forget to leave me a comment. I love talking to you in the comments. Please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so that you know every time I upload. Until the next one, bye.